question. Are you ready for this voyage?
More than ready.
Maiden voyage. Good lad. The craft, let's check it out. Is it all blew up? How far should we go, Leon? Correct.
To Africa.
Ready for action. To the Africa, the Zambezi. After that, where? Amazon. Well, that's what
the
it's
Sahara Desert.
called. Sahara Desert by canoe.
Trek to
Sounds
the
really good.
the river.
Aha. Fine. Zambezi. Yeah, that's good. Straight. Well done.
I think it'll take quite a long time to get to the Galapagos at this one.
No, this is the Zambezi, not the Galapagos. Zambezi River. Here we go.
I mean, hopefully I don't have a double to myself. It's a video.
No, no. This is the movie. Yeah. Now we've got fellow left and right. Oh my god. Showing off with you two oars.
Sorry?
We only got one set of oars.
Quite convenient.
You got this more
Uh-huh.
power than me.
You don't put power on it, you like literally kiss the water.
Oh, it's not kissing the water. Only got one.
Two oars, jealous. I need another set of oars.
You can buy them, like at the Decathlon yards. Just buy it all, you know.
Bad news is a massive river cruise come behind you. So use your right arm, use your right hand, just slowly.
I can't see. You should be doing this.
Right hand. That's it. One more swipe on the right hand. Then you're fine. Then your other hand. You don't have to do the power. Just touch the water and you're
I
alright.
can't even see. You should.
You're fine there.
You
You're fine now.
obviously be doing this.
You're fine now. Now my job's to take pictures of the river cruises. Now your right hand.
Look at this labour.
Left.